You guys, I swear, whenever I do anything for tabs, it's always like a flipping party, okay? I was just watching their Instagram stories just now, and Marlon said, Lyric, why your shorts so short? And shorts so short. And I couldn't help but laugh. I'm like, God damn, if that laugh was a little bit louder, them never gonna serve you. You're right. You're right. No, it's always fun hanging with tabs, and what surprises me every single time is just how much Marlon knows. I'm like, this nigga researches before he gets on here. I'm so unprepared, Jesus. I'm unprepared. But one conversation that I want to have, but I think it's taboo to have, is actually using condoms, safe sex, because a lot of Christians out there, they do other activities that they say they don't need a lot of Christians are doing other activities that they don't think require condom use, and you do always have to use a condom every single time. I think it's called a femidom, the one that goes across. So I'm just here to say, go down to 8 Cargill Avenue, get tested. It is absolutely free. Get tested and grab you like a handful of free condoms while you're there, and know your status. It's an unconventional message coming from me, but bruh, know your status. No, but I guess I'm a spill and I wonder, dog, know your status, and then just wrap it up, dog. I don't need to fatten too much now on the face, Careful, now, Jaleel, ask for help now, bro. You need help? Need help? You need help? Okay, so... Oh, stop. Hi, Simone. Hi, I figured some of you would have been worried, but I don't want to say I'm okay, but you know how it goes, like, it's just like happening, this is happening now, and I have my filter on. You see it? You see it now, you don't? See it? Yeah. Oh, this filter makes my eyebrow raise, but anyway, move the fan. So, Jolly, they can turn off the fan for me, please? You can turn off the fan for me, please? No, turn off the fan for me, please? Alright, come. You alright? You alright? Come, here's the headphones. Yeah, and my watch. Alright, so there, my mind is so foggy right now. There's so much things that are happening right now. I don't know what it is, man, but I like being open with you guys with each step that I take in, and right now I think I'm afraid to be seen. Let me explain why I said that. Because it's going to seem small to some guys, but I want to like make you guys aware that it's not even music, bro. It's just talking. Yeah, that. Gosh, I don't even know why I'm live. I don't have nothing to say. It's just I'm processing a lot right now, and it's way more than. I'm just processing a lot right now. I'm trying to turn about the fan. Am I going to the room? The fan turn. Am I going to the room? Masuko. Oh gosh. Yeah, the definition. Somebody said, "Can you please sing past me?" Not, I don't know that song, and I really don't feel like singing, especially like a sad song. Not no. Your birthday party. When is your birthday? Why does everybody want me to sing? What? Everybody's asking me to sing. Sing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been okay, but I just know that a lot of you would have been worried about me, but I've been okay. It's just that I can't even express myself without like people making it into what? What? What you mean by no, bro? What you mean by no? Here my climb. Stop that. Do not use the rag and wipe off the railing. Jaleel. 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 Thank you. I think I can come off this live. I really don't have nothing to say, really. I guess I just wanted to check in, let you guys know. Jaleel, do not touch it. Why is a bad man? No, you can't be so bad man. I guess I just want you guys to know that I'm okay. Let me see if I can. Jaleel. You give Gigi the rag. So what make you turn on the phone and then come in that room here? Oh, you say so? Yeah, I'm going to the other room. I'm going in the other room. Stay in there, sir. I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Do not come. I come in. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Such a weirdo, baby. But don't call my name. Yeah. As much people name lyric. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Alright, what's going on? Mrs. Necktie, who I'ma sing, drenched in pink. And she should not sing no. Then Miss Necktie said, Ratty, that are you name lyric? And he said, yeah, me, awa. So like two of them go back and forth. And look, him love the two of them. My DM me email answer me no. Oh no, number email again. No, but people, your email must have gone into my junk. I'm clear up my email yesterday. I'm gonna get a new email and I forgot clear it again. Come clear my email yesterday. lyricmua@hotmail.com that cleared yesterday. I don't even know why so many of you are over here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I went viral again. Like I wake up to a bag of new people and it's low-key scary. And it's just it's so stressful. Imagine you just win. Give me. Don't smile with me. Don't you dare smile with me. Smile. I love you. Yeah. I'm gonna go. You're back in JA, baby. Yeah, man. I've been back since last week. But I'm going to go now. My energy is drained. I have so much events that I have to plan. I'm not telling you right now. I don't know what's going to happen. I think to start going live on my YouTube so that if they screen record my stuff, I have like legal grounds or some shit. I think I'm going to start going live on YouTube and not on Instagram. That's right. Don't ask me for everything. So professional because I'm obligated to sing. Oh, what? Somebody said that? Oh, Jamon. Thank you so much, Jamon. She said that. Are you with them? Someone sing? Sing, let mommy hear. Ooh. Yeah, I love you. Come give me a kiss. I love you. Can't say anything. Lyric Trish in the same life would be a vibe. Oh my gosh, Narda, hey boo. It's Trish. I can't say anything. Guys, I'm gonna go now. My energy is really low. But I'm alive, okay? Give me, you got hurt yourself. Give me. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.